Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to allow multiple signers to edit shared fields by using the collaborative field editing feature in BoldSign. Have you ever faced challenges when multiple parties need to agree on details in a document? With BoldSign's collaborative field editing, you can simplify this process and keep everyone aligned. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up shared fields, assign collaborators, and apply approval rules to maintain control and prevent incomplete submissions. Collaborative field editing in BoldSign allows multiple recipients to interact with shared fields in a document. It works by assigning collaborators to specific fields and enabling options such as requiring initials for every change, triggering reapproval for edits made after signing, and marking fields as mandatory for collaborators before signing. These options help maintain transparency, ensure agreement on changes, and prevent incomplete submissions. The feature supports text boxes, drop-downs, checkboxes, editable date field, and radio buttons, making it flexible for various document types. Imagine a real estate admin preparing a lease agreement, where both the agent and property owner must agree on the lease price and service fee. Let me demonstrate how you would use the collaborative field editing feature in BoldSign to set up such a document. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Click Create New and select Create New Document. This action redirects you to the document preparation page. Upload the lease agreement form in the Add File section. Next, add the signers who need to collaborate. Enter the agent and property owner's names and email addresses. Note that collaborative fields are not supported for single signer or self-signed documents. Also, collaborators cannot be in-person signers, group signers, or reviewers. After completing the remaining sections, click Next to proceed to the Configure Fields page. Here, drag and drop the name and email fields for the property owner. Then you need to add collaborative fields for the lease price, service fee, and deduction amount. These are shared fields that both parties will work on collaboratively. To do this, drag and drop text box fields for each shared item. Click on one of the fields to open its settings. By default, the field is assigned to the property manager, but the agent also needs access. To grant this access, go to the Collaborators section, expand the drop-down menu, and select the agent's name as a collaborator. This reveals 3 collaborative field editing options. Require initials for changes means collaborators must provide their initials each time they modify a field, serving as a formal acknowledgement. Require approval for changes triggers a re-signing process if a collaborator edits a field after others have signed. The affected signers are notified and must re-sign to approve the changes. Required for collaborators requires the field to be filled out by the assigned collaborators before signing can be completed. Back to our scenario, enable all 3 options to ensure edits are acknowledged, changes are approved, and fields are not skipped. Repeat this setup for the remaining shared fields. Once done, add the signature fields for both signers. Review the document, and if everything looks good, proceed to send it out for signature. Each signer receives the signature request email. Let's switch to the signer's side to see how collaborative field editing works. First, the property owner opens the document, fills in the required details, and completes signing. Then the agent opens the same document. The fields filled by the property owner are visible to the agent. Since the fields are marked as required, the agent is guided to them during signing. The agent updates the lease price and deduction amount and initials the changes as prompted. Once done, the agent completes the signing process. The property owner is notified of the updates and can review the changes by clicking the Review Document button in the email. Note that during re-signing, only the shared fields remain editable, and all other fields are locked. The property owner confirms the changes by initialing and completing the re-signing process. Finally, let's see the changes from the sender's side. Switch to the sender's account. Expand the document menu and choose My Documents. Locate and click the document for which you need to check collaborator details. This action redirects to the document overview page. Go to the document history section and view the changes made by the collaborators. The field ID and the updated value are displayed along with the details of the user who modified them. These changes are also stored in the audit trail. To download the audit trail, click Download Audit Trail in the More Actions menu. The audit trail provides complete details on when the document was resent for approval, the time it was signed, which collaborative fields were updated, when the document was viewed, and when it was sent. It also includes when approvals were made by the owners. Collaborative field editing in BoldSign gives you complete control when multiple parties need to agree on details. It ensures every change is acknowledged, every update is approved, and nothing is missed. This feature brings transparency and efficiency to complex workflows like contracts, compliance forms, and onboarding documents. Try it today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.